Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Again, going over our intraday swing and long perspective. Again, after respecting our 50-day moving average, continuing on above our 0.618 fib. Again, continuing on higher with our Dragonfly Doji, a very bullish candle, and then gapping up just above our 0.786 fib, and now looking to see if we can continue on higher as we test our prior balance that we did have a continuation on lower from, again, getting our Gravestone Doji, continued on lower with that Gravestone Doji, and now we are sitting here with a spike. We have our 20-day below our 50 here, as we have on our 12 and our 26 EMA crossing above the median of our MACD. Where exactly may we be headed next from here? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for from here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you want to see pre-market news that you want to be watching, if you're looking for data sets that you want to be watching, for example, 30 minutes before market open, the market very much does react to certain data sets and you didn't know that they were coming out, or 30 minutes after market open if you guys are trading out the gate movers, or just looking for those major volatile breakouts on news that we mention every single day in the Instables room, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the SPY with you guys here again, looking at our intraday perspective off the bat, again, looking at our daily candle structure so we can anticipate what we are looking for going into tomorrow. So as we have resistance coming up and as we do have our prior balance coming in and as we have our 20 still below our 50, we have to assume that we need to retest our 20 before we continue on with this momentum. So again, our 20 still below our 50. Again, our 12 and our 26 EMA giving us a nice spike on our MACD, giving us a nice run short term, but very much looking to see if we can retest and give us that proof of concept above our 20-day moving average as we need to retest to possibly continue on higher. So what I would be looking for is even if we do continue on higher here, we will be overextending in my opinion and possibly get maybe an inverted hammer. Maybe we possibly get a possible rejection candle with different jobs reports coming out this week. Again, we had a continuation because of two jobs reports, smaller jobs reports coming out this morning. We mentioned in the Instables room, but again, we have to assume that we do have a rejection candle coming in soon because again, we have to retest our 20-day moving average before we do continue on higher as we are still not above our 50. So again, that is what we're looking for. What I would be looking for is to see if we get any possible bearish candle structure from here. If we get a possible spike and overreaction to the upside, again, that is not unexpected, but what is expected is a possible rejection candle, maybe a possible short-term play to the downside with room and possibly more room to run to the downside as our 20 would be looking to see if we can cross above our 50. So again, that's what we're looking for, to see if we can cross our 20 back above our 50, if we can get that possible proof of concept and that possible retest to continue on higher. And again, like I said, if we get any rejection candles, any possible inverted hammers, we will know exactly how to play into this one, looking for that possible retest intraday. But again, as we look for that continuation on swing term momentum, as we have been keeping an eye on our 20 weekly moving average crossing above our 50 weekly moving average. Again, we mentioned this is the first time this has happened in over a year. And now we have been continuing on higher again, dropping below our 20 and our 50 weekly moving average, but not counting out that we could bounce back because we did not have that bearish candle structure. Had a bounce back here, looking to see if we can close above our 50 weekly moving average. And then last week, closing above our 20 weekly moving average. Now sitting above our 20 weekly moving average, looking to see if we can continue on above our prior balance. Typically what happens within this area is that we do continue on, again, of course, continuing on into higher highs, but possibly looking for a possible rejection candle sometime soon. So that way we can get that retest and proof of concept on that swing to momentum. So again, that is our weekly perspective. Again, this is our weekly candle. So regardless of how this candle closes, in my opinion, maybe we get a possible pullback and we do get that cool down on the week. And then we get that possible consolidation within our spike above our 20 weekly moving average, which would give us that possible proof of concept on breaking into higher highs. And that would be that simple play, in my opinion, possible engulfing candle on our 20 weekly moving average that we can have from here. So again, that would be the play. If we do have a pullback, looking for a possible engulfing candle above our 20 weekly moving average would give us that major confidence on that swing momentum. So again, that's what we're looking for. But again, a very nice bounce back that we had from a couple weeks ago, jumping above our 50 weekly moving average, assuming that we can possibly continue on above our 20. And that's exactly what happened. Now, looking at our monthly chart, as we look for confirmation on our weekly chart, we have to consider that we had a rejection prior. We had a major sell-off all the way down to our 50-monthly moving average. So this candle very much needs to close with the possibility of jumping above our 20-monthly moving average going into next week. That is the watch. Can we close and get proof of concept above our 21th moving average to possibly get that long-term and confidence to that long-term momentum. So again, that's what we're looking for. We are very close to a possible break. However, at this point in time, very much below our 21th moving average. And we did start this candle with a solid green candle, if you guys do remember. And then we closed the month again with the pullback and with the rejection, retesting our 50-month moving average. So again, we will look for confirmation. Again, that major confirmation will come from our 12 crossing back above our 26 here for that possible long-term momentum that we would be looking for. So again, that's what we're looking for here, to see if our 12 can cross above our 26, as we have been getting this decrease in sell pressure and anticipating that we could possibly get that swing term momentum at the very least. But that long-term momentum very much needs that proof of concept if we are going to continue on higher. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, any major volatile movers that you want to be watching before market open, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instables, I appreciate you guys every single day. Really, I really do appreciate you guys. Again, continue to go at it, taking with the market. This very nice breakouts today. If you guys did catch GFAI, that was an amazing breakout that we had from the weekly watch list, making sure that we watched AI movers and oil movers in pre-market. We mentioned the oil movers, very nice breakouts all over the place today, honestly. But again, the nice oil mover that we mentioned was INDO, and the AI mover that we mentioned was SOUN and GFAI. So again, nice breakouts on the day. Continue to take with the market gives us, and staying blessed is what we will continue to do. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.